friend, assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. This topic is about the basic about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency comes under many names. You have probably read about some of the most popular type of cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency are in popular for online payment before real dollars. The symbol for Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency. You should understand what cryptocurrencies are, what the crises are in using cryptocurrencies, and how to protect your investment. First question: what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative form of payment created using the use of encrypt technology. Means the cryptocurrencies function both as such as a currency and as a virtual accounting system. The using cryptocurrencies you need the whatever one. Finally, since you store your cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, if you lose your wallet or access to it to wallet backup, you have lost your cryptocurrency investment. Follow these tips to protect your cryptocurrency. First one is look before you leave. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, be sure you understand how it works, where it can be used, and how to exchange it. Read the web page for the currency itself so that you fully understand how it works, and read independent articles on the cryptocurrencies you are considered as well. Second one is use a trustworthy wallet. It is going to take some research on your part to choose the right wallet for your need. And the third one is have a backup. uh, think about what happens if your computer, mobile device, or wherever you store your wallet it's lost or stored. Without a backup storage, you will have no way of getting your cryptocurrency back, and you could your investment resources. 3 point